Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to explore the image editor in a Canva. So Canva is a very good tool, easy to use tool to design your different type of templates, for example different types of images, banners. For example, even you can create a videos, you can create a presentations. In this video we are going to explore the how we can edit images and what are the features are available. So currently I have a pro version, but personal pro version. So I'm going to create a new design and click on a thumbnail on a canvas for a Canva, and here we can edit images, and these are the templates are available, but currently we are focused on images. There is two ways for images. One way is that community images, and even we can search images based on our requirement. For example, I want to search a blue city. The blue city images are available. So I want to search a programmer. So related to programmer images are coming, and you can see it's a pro version. I can use it because I have a pro version, personal pro version, so I can add any images. Second way is that we have to upload images. So we can upload any image into, even you can record yourself. Images uploaded, I add into my canvas area, and now I have option to edit. I have to click edit. There are three options: crop, adjustment and effects. So if we want to add some effects directly, like a blur, for example, I am applying this add blur. This area is going to be a blur. We can blur. So you can see how picture is getting blur. And I'm going to check a second image. Second option is Fisco. So you can see automatically Fisco is coming, and we can increase or decrease the intensity. Similarly, we can use different type of effects. We can add different types of effects, and even we can use a classical effect. I'm going to back, and then I can create a shadow. So drop shadow, image has a, you can see background has a little shadow. Second way is adjustment. There is option for auto adjust. It automatically adjusts. You can see color adjusted. Then I can add a temperature in image as per our requirement. I can add temperature, I can add tenant, bright, I can add brightness in image. I can even add the contrast. You can see images, contrast, images added. I can add highlights, I can add shadow, I can add even I can add a different type of vibrance, and even I can add a saturation. And there will be an option that I can use these colors for edit colors in this picture. And similarly, I can increase or decrease the sharpness. You can see increase the sharpness in images, the levity, and I can reset it. I I can reset all everything in adjustment. Then I have an option for a crop. I can crop the image one by one. There will be rotate. I can rotate the image as per our requirement, and we can also smart crop. Image is cropped. Even we can expand. So this is the quick video share you how you can upload or use existing images, and you can adjust it, create a different effect in a Canva. See you in another video.